Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft To Do using Outlook tasks for productivity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Outlook on your computer. Navigate to the Tasks section in the lower left corner. Click on the New Task button to create a new task. Fill out the task details, such as the title and description. Set a due date for the task by selecting the calendar icon. Assign a priority level to the task if necessary. Save the task by clicking the Save and Close button. Open the Microsoft To Do app on your device. Ensure that you are logged in with the same Microsoft account used in Outlook. In the Microsoft To Do app, navigate to the Tasks section. Click on the My Day view to see your daily tasks. Refresh the list to sync new tasks from Outlook. You should see the newly created task appear in your to-do list. Select the task in To Do to view additional options. Add steps, reminders, or notes to enhance the task details. Organize your tasks into different lists for better management. Utilize tags to categorize tasks by project or priority. Turn on notifications for reminders to stay on track. Review your tasks regularly to ensure nothing is overlooked. Adjust due dates or priorities as needed for better productivity. Consider utilizing the integration features between Outlook and To Do for seamless task management. Use keyboard shortcuts in both applications to speed up your workflow. Save frequently and back up important tasks to avoid data loss. Regularly check for updates to both Outlook and Microsoft To Do for new features. With consistent use, you can enhance your productivity and task management efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.